Hello techies, in this video we will learn drawing a class diagram with an example. Class diagram is a representation of an object. Object can be a bottle, laptop, watch, mobile, etc. Now we will learn drawing a class diagram to a mobile object. When we do online shopping, we'll search for mobile. So before proceeding this video, please open any online shopping website and search for your favorite mobile. We will get all features of the mobile as a result. These features technically referred as attributes or properties. If someone asks you to give the features of mobile on a paper, then you will start writing with mobile heading. Then you list down all attributes. And finally, attribute values. Whatever we have done so far on the paper is representation of mobile. If we make little bit of changes to the node that we have made, then we will get exact class diagram. In the class diagram, we have plus symbol and attribute types. Plus symbol is access specifier. There are 4 types of access specifiers that we can use for class diagram. This class diagram can be converted into code as shown. This is how functional requirements are converted into technical diagrams and technical diagrams to code. Now we summarize what we have learned so far. Class is a representation of an object. Thanks for watching. For latest video notification, please click on subscribe button and bell icon. If you like the video, click on thumbs up and share. Have a nice day.